Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Tech Steps channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to display file extensions in Windows 11 quickly and easily. First, open a File Explorer window. To do this, simply press the shortcut, Windows plus E, or click the folder icon on the taskbar. When the File Explorer window opens, look at the top right corner and select View on the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, click Show, and then select File Name Extensions. At this point, you'll see the file extensions for all files on your computer. For example, a text file will have the extension .txt, and an image file might have the extension .jpg or .png. If you want to hide the file extensions again, simply uncheck the File Name Extensions option. Pretty simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel so you won't miss out on more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.